Okay, so my Bluetooth punching bag came in from TenCount. It is the 80-pound bag, it says on the box. It's model number 1102-48, and I believe that's the special edition. There's all that stuff to prove that it's a Bluetooth enabled punching bag. The box is normal shipping, but I'm actually surprised that it's got a lot of the logos and stuff on it, which is pretty neat. I was going to try and play a trick on the Pure Later guy, but it came with all this stuff, so he obviously knew what it was. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to kind of put it down.
Ah, this red tape's heavy. Oh yeah.
So there it is. I opened it up. This is the bottom, obviously. Looks like there's a little bit of the rubber stuff that they put inside in the bag here. Maybe that's, I don't know if that's gonna be a rip or what it is. This looks like some flake, maybe. Amanda?
Yeah.
Can you come here and help me? Grab the box and pull. Oh yeah. Now that's sweet. Roll it over here. Got some stuff here. I don't know what this is yet. Looks like some information. Maybe some stickers or something. I don't know. That could be for the sensor though, right here. Ogie, go. Come on. My big guy likes to say hi. Hey, Oge. Good boy. So, yeah. It doesn't say special edition on it. But there's my charging cord. Some foam there, and then the top, it's just a single loop, but all the straps are on. That's a good, nice material too, same as the bag. Looks like you can zip the top open. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna hang it up now.